Frustrated by the Imslib Library DLL error causing Adobe to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Avoid long manual edits for Imslib Library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Imslib Library, the Adobe Identity Management Service IMS library. It manages the localized, unmanaged, localized secure token handshakes for localized Adobe Creative Cloud logins. It facilitates the localized retrieval of localized user localized subscription manifests. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Imslib belongs to the Adobe bundle and is unique to that software. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of Adobe will restore this file along with its related binary components. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Imslib library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like Imslib Library DLL in your System32 folder. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on Imslib Library. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Imslib Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.